everyone, I'm Trang. Do you know what this is? It's a multicolored kinetic sand heart, featuring pink, yellow, and finally red. Inside, there are some mysterious items waiting for us to explore together.
Chop the tree down!
Pink.
First, I found an adorable pink Peppa Pig. Peppa's hobbies include jumping in mud puddles and playing with her teddy bear, Teddy. Her best friend is Susie the sheep. Spider Girl, biomagnetism manipulation. Ability to sense the weak points in her enemies and repel objects and people.
Green. Red.
Do you guys know which character I just discovered? It's a very famous superhero character, Spider-Man. Spider-Man possesses strength, agility, leaping, reflexes, endurance, flexibility, coordination, and balance. He can climb walls and ceilings, and he's a genius intellect. Hey everyone, let's explore this sand star with Trang to see what's inside.
Blue.
Finally, I found a very cute character inside the sandcastle, and that's none other than the crayon boy, Shin. Due to the influence of his parents, Shin often makes statements that can be challenging for adults, or behaves in ways that frustrate or amuse his teachers and those around him. He loves teddy bear cakes and flan. Hey everyone! So we've just discovered 3 more adorable characters to add to our collection. If you like any of these characters, please comment and let me know. And for now, goodbye and see you next time.